Welcome to the Team Floss module. In this video, we will show you how to create a Rota for your staff members. First, we need to go to Rota Management, then select Create New Rota. This is the area where we select the site, scroll to the bottom, and create New Rota. Here we need to enter a name. Next, enter a start date for the Rota and input the end date. We also have an option to choose a duration. Below, we select the employees, then create the Rota. On the left-hand side, we can see the staff member names. Let's go ahead and create a slot for Grace. Here is where we create a shift name. Select the start time. Select the end shift time, and we have an option to input a break, add notes, and select a color. Once ready, click on Add. Now, as we can see for Monday, Grace is working from 9 to 1 p.m. Let's do the next day. Since we have already created a slot, it will be saved here. Click here and it will be auto-filled. Again, select Add. Now let's go ahead and create one for Oliver. So Oliver will be doing a PM reception. Select the start time. The shift will finish at 5. Let's go for purple. Click Add. Once we are happy with this, we go to Publish Rota. This means everyone on Flossly will be able to see it. Now, as we can see, it is showing here. Anything that is unpublished will be saved here.